So, just taking another quick look at Byte then on a daily time frame for another update. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment, all that good stuff down below. So as we can see on the charts here, we've obviously been continuously selling off, even at this level of support here. And I think I've figured out the reason why. I've been tracking some of the wallets, the largest wallets of Byte, and what they've been buying and selling over the past month or so. And we've seen one of the biggest holders of Byte, I think it might have been the founder potentially, or one of the founder team, just continuously selling a massive amount of Byte. I think around 300k of Byte over the past, most concentrated I would say over the past 2 weeks. Because as you can see here, we came into this area of support here where we naturally did start to bottom out, and then once we got to this level of support, we did see that capital start to rotate. We've got a very, very significant amount of selling basically in the markets, just continuously selling off to the downside. If you take a quick look at what we're looking at here, you can see quite clearly on the charts that basically we've had this. Hello, my brush tool. Why is my brush tool not working? Hello? It's just completely stopped working. That's so weird. Hello? Hello? My tool. Okay, my tool has stopped working, but it doesn't matter. Basically, my point here being, we got down to this level here, as you can quite clearly tell on the charts. Very, very, you know, this is a natural, I would say, level of support that we came into, that lovely previous area of structure. Over here, back testing into here, and then the whale has sold probably around 200k's worth of Byte, $200,000 worth of Byte from this level here, just selling at support really and rotating out the project. So you've seen this continuous sell off to the downside, which is why we've retraced as much as we have. But I do think personally this is going to be fine. Oh, there we go. It's all appeared. I think I might have had maybe a little disconnect from the internet or something there. As we can see, that was really, really strange, wasn't it? How it wasn't working. Let me just delete these. So basically my point being here, a whale has basically been selling at support, which was this previous area here. We had a really nice bottoming out pattern into this previous area of structure. We started breaking out of our resistance, and then since then, over the past few weeks, we've had this huge sell-off to the downside. Really, really ridiculous price action, as you can quite clearly tell. And we are basically now waiting for a bit of a recovery in this area. I think the person in particular, the wallet in particular I've been looking at, has basically ran out now. They've only got about 20k left. So they've probably only got around 1 or 2 decent sells left in them at these levels, if they do sell all of it. In which case, we're probably going to be bottoming out somewhere in this region here, in my opinion, which would make sense at this swing low. And I do personally think that once this massive sell pressure has been relieved, which it pretty much has at this point, we're probably going to start seeing a nice reversal for Byte. We are, after all, at a really nice area of structure there. And as you can see, we're down 90% from the all-time high right now. As we all know, there's that famous quote about SHIB, where it retraced 90% and then it pumped up like 100,000% over the next 6 months after that. So I think this chart is still looking good to me. I am not concerned. I have around 10% of my portfolio in Byte, and I do think it's probably going to do well going forward. Overall, I've just been averaging down. I think my average entry is really close to the current price now, which in my opinion is really, really good. It's quite a large position as well, so it'll be interesting to see how this performs. I do think eventually it's going to break out, especially going into the bull market. The narrative's still really good, and once the sell pressure is relieved, which I think it will be over the next few weeks, probably most likely, we're going to start seeing some really nice buy pressure coming in. So